Hi all, this is MCS212 Discrete Mathematics. This paper is Discrete Mathematics for the IGNOU students, first semester, second paper. So these are the important questions for your last minute preparation. The yellow mark is a important question, you should not skip out. And the red mark is very important, you must study it. The green mark is the last option. If you have a time to study, you can just add these questions in your study plan. So first thing, disjunction, conjunction, negation, conditional, precedency rule. So these will be come for the 5-mark questions. The disjunction is nothing but it's similar to multiplication concept, and conjunction is the addition concept. Negation is the or concept. So it's a true, we can make it as a false. If it is a false, we can make it as a true. So that is a negation concept. So this will come for the 5-mark questions. And a method of proof. What is a proof? This will be asked in a 5-mark or 2-mark questions. And then Boolean algebra. It's very important. You should look at the logic circuits and all. The Boolean algebra and Boolean function, logic circuit. These 3 things are similar. You can just concentrate on AND, OR and NOR gate. AND gate is nothing but, I told you, multiplication, and NOT gate is a true or false. So if it is a false, you can, the output will come at a like a false. If it is a true input, the output is a false. So AND or NOT gate will be come in this. You have to look at the circuit diagram for AND, OR and NOT, and the functions and all. And then set relation functions. The set questions will be asked. Okay, logic and sets. It's also similar like a disjunction, conjunction and NOR gate. So the concept will be same, but the questions are repeat like in these units. And this one is a recurrence relation. Past 2-3 semesters, they are repeated the same question, the Fibonacci series and a divide and conquer technique. So Fibonacci also is very important thing. You have to just look out the example and the diagram if it's there. And then the pigeonhole principle. It's nothing but the pigeon is going into their bird's hole. So how many pigeon can fit in the one hole? So that is the concept for the pigeonhole principle. You just look at it. You can just understand the concept and you can write the exams. This will come for the 5 marks. And next, degree, regularity and isomorphism. It's all very easy questions. You should not miss out, and this will come for the 5 marks. Even in the 2 mark also they ask the same, like the path, circuit, cycle, components, everything is the same. Like a vertex is connected like the edges is called a path and circuit is called a vertex. Okay, the cycle means the edges are repeating things is called a cycle. So if the cycle start with a B, C, again end with a A. So that is a cycle. So these questions be simple concept, you can just understand, you can easily score these questions and all. And this thing, Eulerian and Hamilton, this very important question. Eulerian is nothing but you should not repeat the edges, and Hamilton you should not repeat the vertex. So this is a concept you just study and you can easily attend these questions. These questions is very important, you will be asking repeatedly in all the past exams and all. You just make note 2 diagrams for the Eulerian and Hamilton. And a traveling salesman person. The traveling salesman person means he is starting to sales from one city and passing to next city, and finally he reaching the same city, but should not repeating the route. So that is a traveling salesman. And you just take some graph diagram, you can easily score these exams. Attend these questions. That's will ask in 10-mark question. And last thing is a graph coloring, and graph coloring is also vertex coloring, edge coloring and planar graphs. But vertex and edge is mostly asked in many exams. The vertex is nothing but the coloring. The adjacent vertex should not be color with the same color. So the same like the edge also. The edge, the adjacent edges should not be same colors. So these are the small concepts, just study and then you can write the exams. And last thing, this is a finite state mechanism. This is a finite automata, and these questions will be repeatedly asking. Even with a diagram they ask the finite automata, or just they ask you to explain the finite automata. Everything you just study the diagram, you can easily score a marks without any arrear. And the regular expression, it's a finite automata regular expression. If you have a time, you can just look out these questions and all. And the last one, it's a permutation. Permutation will be asking 2 or 5-mark questions and all. And binomial coefficient. So these questions are some important questions. You just download the IGNOU website, all these materials. Thank you.